Vitamin C. Let's learn about vitamin C. Do you know what the benefits of vitamin C are? You'll have a strong immune system if you eat foods containing vitamin C. Remember, your immune system is like a shield that protects you from getting ill and helps you recover from diseases and get healthy again. Vitamin C also gives you a healthy heart and blood vessels, so you can be active and strong. Vitamin C also helps you to feel more energetic, be in a good mood, and feel happier. The top foods high in vitamin C are bell pepper, blackcurrant, kiwi, kale, and orange. Other fruits and vegetables that contain good amounts of vitamin C are grapefruit, strawberries, pineapple, red cabbage, raw peas, cantaloupe, papaya, parsley, pomegranate, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and tomato. Which one is your favorite? Did you know that vitamin C is a temperature-sensitive vitamin and degrades during cooking? Therefore, raw fruits and veggies contain more vitamin C than cooked veggies. Vitamin C also helps to absorb iron from plant foods. Iron is a mineral that your body needs for growth and health.